Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the Pro Plus Airbrush compressor. What I love about this is that it's super lightweight. It literally only weighs 1 pound, so it's a lot of power packed into a tiny little body. I've actually taken this internationally with me. I've gone to China, I've gone to Italy. So the fact that it's dual voltage really helps with that. You don't have to worry about, where you're traveling. So let's start by taking our airbrush gun holder. And for this, you guys can attach it to either the left side or the right side, whichever works for you. So I'm just going to click that into place. Then I'm going to take my hose, and this is the one that comes with the airbrush compressor, and just twist that into the front. You guys will know when it's nice and secure. Just go all the way until it's tight. Then we'll take the other end, and let's attach that to our SP-35. Again, you're just twisting that on until you guys notice that it's tight. There we go, we're loaded. I'm going to place that in my airbrush gun holder just for a moment while I continue attaching the rest of the compressor. Now here's our dual voltage plug. So it's a double prong, and we'll take this end here and just plug that into the back of our compressor. Okay, that clicks right in. And this will just plug in to our outlet. And now all you have to do is turn it on. Power's right on top, just press and hold, and there you go.